Bringing your parents and grandparents to Canada. The Super Visa versus the Parents and Grandparent Sponsorship Program. Despite achieving their ultimate goal of immigrating to Canada, many newcomers dream of reuniting with their families abroad. Therefore, the Canadian government offers two immigration programs allowing citizens, permanent residents, and Indian status holders to reunify with their families. There are two options: the Super Visa and the Parent and Grandparent Sponsorship Program, PGP. Here is a short comparison. Eligibility. For the Super Visa, biological or adopted parents or grandparents must apply from outside Canada. They must also take a medical exam, provide their biometrics, purchase IRCC-approved health insurance, and be admissible to Canada. Applicants also must convince the visa officer that they will leave Canada by the end of their authorized stay. Their family member in Canada must be at least 18 years old, promise to support them financially during their stay, and meet the necessary income threshold. The PGP allows eligible residents of Canada to sponsor their biological or adopted parents, grandparents, and other dependents. Sponsees can be outside or inside Canada, for instance on a Super Visa. Sponsors must be at least 18 years old and must have sufficient income to support everyone they'll be financially responsible for. They commit to financially supporting their family members for 20 years outside Quebec, once they become permanent residents. Application process. Super Visa applications can be submitted online at any time, along with required documents, such as an invitation letter from their host. Every applicant must apply separately and pay a $100 application fee. To take part in the PGP, eligible applicants must submit an interest to sponsor form during a specific intake period. Out of the people who submitted this form, some are randomly issued an invitation to apply. Only those who receive an invitation can apply online via IRCC's Permanent Residence Portal. There are two applications: an application to become a sponsor and an application for permanent residence. Candidates also must submit all required documents, provide their biometrics, and take a medical exam. There is also an application fee starting from $1,205. Wait times. Wait times for the Super Visa depend on the country of citizenship and other factors. Usually, the process takes a few months or less. In contrast, based on past experience, the PGP process can last approximately 6 years. Status granted. Visitors on a Super Visa are not allowed to study or work, but may be required to pay taxes. However, the PGP offers permanent resident status and a path to Canadian citizenship. Maximum length of stay. The Super Visa allows applicants to stay in Canada for up to 5 years with the option of a 2-year extension. Multiple entries of up to 10 years are included. PGP sponsees can stay permanently as long as they fulfill their permanent residence requirements or become citizens. Finally, the right choice for you and your family depends on your individual situation. While many likely aim for permanent residence, the Super Visa is a faster solution to overcome the PGP's long wait times. Learn more on the Ashton College website and connect with us on social media.